Hey guys, we have another special unboxing video. This is from Mark, and it's all the way from the UK, from Berkshire. Oh, he just burped. Berkshire.
You should, Hudson.
I almost said Berkshire. The UK.
Nice.
So Mark R. Okay, let's go.
Mark
Ren. Here we go.
Mark Ren, fantastic job.
Oh, God. Hudson, come here. This could possibly be for you, so you shouldn't be disappearing. Come here. Oh, he's disappearing. He's sensed it's not for him.
He's had a big day.
Wait. To Karla, James, and Hudson.
Oh, love Mark Ren.
Love Mark Ren.
Fantastic job, Mark. Oh, your favorite. Oh, man.
From Neil Yard.
Look at how beautiful that stamping is. That's beautiful on the bag.
Oh. My favorite. Hudson's back. Come
Hudson's
back, Hudson.
back.
Come here.
Huds.
Come here. Come and smell this. It's my favorite hand cream. I gotta take the little. See, there's a little safety seal.
Karla's getting a safety seal. There's Hudson's ear.
Okay, here we go. Okay, come here, Hudson. This isn't to eat, but this smells so good. Look.
Oh, nice.
Garden, mint, and bergamot hand cream.
Oh, love the Neil's Yard. Fantastic job, Mark Ren.
Come here. And look at this. There's more in here. Massage oil.
Oh, hey now.
Ooh. Body cream.
Nice.
Feel the love.
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
Oh, fantastic
Extra
stuff.
good. What do you think? Down the hole for Hudson?
Yes.
With a toy?
Yes.
What do you think, Mr. Hudson?
Oh,
Come
Mark,
on.
fantastic job.
I
Neil's
know the
Yard.
hand cream is for me, but we got a toy all planned out for you.
Hudson.
Another toy
Coast is clear.
that came from Europe, from Scotland, from Jonathan. Coast is clear? Coast is clear. He's driving to the UK. Wait, did you tell Hudson that he has to drive on the other side of the road?
Yeah, he has to run on the other side of the hall.
Yeah, so Hudson, run on the other side of the hall, because this present is from the UK, just like my hand cream. Come on.
Come on, Huds.
What you got? Here comes the trot. Oh, he dropped the steering wheel.
Oh, man. Fantastic job.
Ready? Come. What do I do? I toss it like this?
I got it.
Okay.
I want to get it all the way down.
Oh,
No, not too far. That was terrible.
that was good.
Yeah, he's got it. Come on, Huds.
Come on. Oh, right down the middle.
Oh, fantastic job.
Oh, look, he's playing hard to get. One more time. Oh, good
nice one. Nice one.
Top speed. Oh, thank you, Mark. That
Thanks,
was
Mark.
extra good. Feels great.
Fantastic job, Mark. Thank you.